If you own the Acer Nitro XV272U, you already know it's a fantastic gaming and productivity monitor, but only if it's calibrated right. In today's video, I'll show you the best calibration settings to unlock accurate colors, balanced contrast, and buttery smooth motion. Stick with me till the end, because each tweak builds toward the perfect final image. Let's start with one of the most important elements, gamma. Set your gamma to 2.2. This creates balanced midtones. Nothing looks washed out, and you won't get those overly crushed blacks or blown out whites. It's a sweet spot for both gaming visuals and everyday use. Next, let's dial in the color temperature and gain settings. Switch over to user mode, where you can manually adjust each color channel. The most accurate configuration for this monitor is red 52, green 47, blue 51. This combination gives you a neutral, lifelike tone without strange tints. But if you prefer a completely flat baseline, simply set all three to 50. It still looks clean and natural. Now, for brightness and contrast, which depend on your room's lighting. Here are some reliable presets. If you want around 200 nits, set brightness to 67. For 180 nits, use 33. For a standard indoor 120 nit setup, go with 51. And for a very dim environment, 8 gives you roughly 15 nits. Leave contrast at 49. This keeps your dark and light areas well balanced without clipping. Moving on to some additional fine tuning, turn super sharpness off. It tends to introduce unnatural edge halos, and you don't want that. If you watch HDR content, switch to HDR 400 mode to get proper dynamic range, and make sure adaptive sync is enabled. This eliminates screen tearing and allows the monitor's overdrive to auto adjust, which helps reduce ghosting. Finally, let's talk about motion blur control. You get two modes here. Normal, great for everyday gaming with minimal brightness loss. Extreme, useful for fast-paced titles where you want even clearer edges, but be aware it can dim the image slightly and may introduce small artifacts. And that's it. With these calibration settings, your Acer Nitro XV272U will deliver accurate colors, clean contrast, and smooth motion in every scenario. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more display and tech optimization tips. Thanks for watching.